Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a lip monthly unboxing or unbagging, whichever you want to call it. Lip Monthly is a subscription box that sends 5 to 6 full-size lipsticks per month, and it is $12 a month. But my first month I got it for $5, so that's why I got it. If you guys are interested in subscribing to the Lip Monthly subscription box, I will leave the link down below. So yeah, so let's get started. So it comes in this little plastic envelope type of thing. Oh, this is so cute, you guys. It kind of reminds me of like Ipsy bag. So it comes in a cute little bag, and it's like it feels like a little costal. If you guys know what a costal is, comment down below like the word in English so people could know what it is. Anyways, it comes in a little bag like this. It's so cute. It has a person on it and it says Lip Monthly down here. Super cute. And let's see. The inside looks like this. So the first thing I see here is a card like every other subscription box. It says lipstick is my Valentine, February 2019. Oh, so I actually subscribed to this box January 20th, and for some reason they had some problem with shipping, so it took longer. I was supposed to get it like February 20th, and I barely got it today. And today is February 26th. But yeah, I'm supposed to be getting it every first of the month starting March, so we'll see about that. Okay, the back of the card says,
"Welcome to the February 2019 bag. It feels like spring is only just around the corner, so we hope that you are taking full advantage of what the rest of the winter season has to offer. Don't miss out. From now until March 31st, take 20% off any one-time purchase and our shop coupon code Feb20.
So if you guys are interested, there's a little code there for you guys. So yeah, that's the card. Alright, the first thing I see here is a chapstick. I love chapsticks, you guys. I'm so freaking addicted to chapsticks and anything for the lips. So that's the main reason I subscribe to this bag. But anyways, this chapstick is from the brand Jing AI Tinted Balm. So this is what it looks like. Jing AI Tinted Balm. And it is in the shade Sugar Plum Vanilla Peppermint. And if you open it, ta-da! That's what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys to see if it actually has a tint to it. So this is what it looks like. It is tinted, but it is sheer. But I mean, it is a chapstick, so I really like this. I'm so excited to try that product out. Alright, the next thing I see here is Bank Beauty. It comes in a little box, so let's open it. So it is a very cute pink color. I really like this color. It is in the shade Pink Dream. So now let's swatch it. I think I've already tried this brand before, and I think I do like it. So the color swatch is kind of sheer, but it's a super pretty pink. It's really pretty. I like it. So this is gonna be perfect for spring. So the next thing I see here looks like a lip liner, and it comes in a little Ziploc bag. So they sent me a lip liner in the brand IB Beauty. That's what it looks like. And the shade is Berry. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to swatch it. Ooh, I like this color. It's like a plum. It looks like a plum color, so I'm really excited because this is like one of the colors I really like. So I'm really excited to try this product out. And the last product that I have in my little bag is from the brand Douche. I don't know how to pronounce that, you guys. But this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And it is in the shade Winterberry. It looks like it's gonna be a really pretty color. And I'm guessing this is a lip crayon.
Oh yeah, it says right there, Relentless Matte Lip Crayon.
So let's swatch it. Oh, look at it, it looks really pretty. Ooh, it swatches super smooth, you guys. This is what it looks like. It reminds me of the lip crayon that they sent in BoxyCharm. But I feel like this one's a little bit darker. So I'm really excited about this. So yeah, that is the last lip product that came in my bag. So overall, I got 4 full-size products and I'm really happy with everything. And I only paid $5 my first month. So I will continue with this subscription box. And I'm really excited to see what I get next month because I am really addicted to lipsticks and chapsticks and lip gloss and all of that. So I'm really excited I found this subscription box. So what did you guys think about the lip products that I received today? Did you guys like any of these? Have you guys tried LipMonthly before? Do you guys think it's worth it? I feel like it's worth it. Even if I would have paid $12, I feel like it's worth it because the lip gloss and the lip crayon, they're like $6 each or maybe more. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in subscribing to the LipMonthly, I will leave the link down below. This is not sponsored, I'm just saying if you guys want to try it. If you don't, it's fine.
I don't care.
But anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.